welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you my newest addition to my heel collection. I was looking everywhere for these and I finally found them on Saks. And I got the beautiful Christian Louboutin Cataclou. I know I'm totally butchering the name. I can never get that name right, but after I show you guys will know they're like the espadrilles. They're super cute. And yeah, this is the box. Sure you guys know what that looks like. And then here is the label on the side. And let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, they came with their dust bags, which I'm very thankful for because I've ordered some in the past and they don't come with dust bags. And I'm just like, I like my dust bags. Anyways, I got this beautiful tangerine color and they are absolutely gorgeous. Like I'm so glad that I picked this color because they're just like a totally different orange than what they look like online. And they're just beautiful. I got the suede and then they have the gold hardware. That's what they look like there. Oh, they're just super beautiful. That's what they look like there. These, sorry, looks like I was flipping you off. I wasn't, I promise. It looks like they have like some really nice embroidery going on here and it's not orange. It's like a beautiful red. I don't know if you could see that. I hope you can. Heel height in 140, which is the highest heel, which if you can't already tell, like this is like an huge arch, like really deep. So when you wear these, it's not like, oh, I'm gonna wear these just because they're comfortable, you know, like anything like that. Like I was hoping, I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna get wedges, you know, because they're better than my Socates, which these are definitely gonna be better than the Socates because those hurt my feet so bad. Like I don't even get out the door to dinner and my feet just feel like they're on fire. So I wanted these to kind of come in during the spring and summer and just be able to wear these with a cute jumpsuit or with jeans and a cute blouse and just like your cute little YSL bag or something like that. So I'm just super excited. I'm very glad that I went with this color because I was wanting to purchase the snakeskin ones. And obviously it's not real snakeskin, but it had like the texture right here. And they weren't suede, obviously, but they were beautiful. They were darling. And they had like the gunmetal hardware. And I don't know, I wanted to wear, I guess I wanted something that I could wear during this summer and like get a lot of use out of. So hopefully I made the right decision. I might once in a blue moon, like, I don't know, not anytime soon, go back and get the snakeskin print one, but I thought these were absolutely gorgeous. I will be attaching photos of me wearing them so you can see what they look like on my feet, just in case you're in the market for some or anything like that. I do think that they are totally an awesome forever piece. Well, in my collection, they're gorgeous. I cannot stop just completely. Every time I see them and pull them out, I'm just like, oh, those are so beautiful. I did try them on already, but I haven't worn them obviously. But what I wanted to get done and I wanted to share with you guys is that I'm going to get these, I'm going to take them to a shoe cobbler and they are going to put me a protector, and it kind of feels like a gel protector, and they're see-through, so you'll still be able to see the red sole, but it's so obviously whenever you are walking and you don't get any scrapes or anything like that, and it doesn't scrape off your red sole. I don't know, I really like them. And I want to be able to get a lot of use out of them without you being able to tell they got a lot of use. I really haven't, I tried wearing my Socates quite More than a handful of times, and you can already tell like they are just super, super, super scraped up. I don't know why, but they're super scraped up, and I don't mind that look either because I feel like it gives your shoes some character. But I felt like for these in particular that I just really wanted to save the sole longer and get that done to them. So if you want an updated video on how much it costs and what it looks like, and to see if you want to do that to your shoe, because I've always been kind of scared to do it to my shoe because I'm like, what if they do it wrong? Like, what if it doesn't look good? What if you can't tell it's red anymore, you know? And there's some that come with wording on like the gel protector part, and I'm just like I don't know, it's been really hard for me, but I totally made that decision on these when I saw them because I really want to use them more and you not be able to tell. But yeah, I just wanted to share these with you guys and show you how beautiful this color is in person. I do see a lot of these like online on eBay and Poshmark and stuff like that. But I don't know, I'm just always scared to order on sites like that won't guarantee your authenticity, because I don't want to spend so much on some shoes and then get them and them not be authentic. So if I ever want to buy anything that's pre-loved or anything, I always shop on Fashion File, The Real, stuff like that will guarantee the authenticity. It's just more comfortable, and it's just peace of mind that you're not going to spend so much money on something that isn't real. So that's what I think about those. But these were purchased off Saks, and I'm just very happy that I finally caved and got these because these are super cute. But anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be posting a lot of makeup tutorials. I'm going to be doing a lot of fashion. I'm going to be showing a lot of bags. I also am going to be showing how far I have built my Jeep Wrangler. I have a 2012 Jeep Wrangler and I'm obsessed with it. It's my baby. And I've just been putting parts here and there on it and just building it on my own. And I really want to show you what it looks like. So if you would like to, if you like this video and if you want to subscribe and see the rest of my videos, go ahead and do so, and we will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.